natipon-tipon po tayo ngayon upang ating saksihan ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Carmel Stephen at Mary Diane Carr.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said
Upang ating saksihan ang kanilang pagtaha sa buhay na may forever. Sasabihin nila sa isa't isa, till death do us part. Ibig sabihin, mula ngayon at hanggang sa huling bunto ng kanilang hininga, ipapangako nila sa isa't isa na sila lamang at hindi sila maghihiwalay. At gagawin po yan na posible dahil sa basbas ng ating Panginoon.
I, Carmel Stephen Inoveas, take you, Mary Diane Carr, Maranda, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Mary Diane Carr Maranda, take you, Carmel Stephen Inuvejas, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.